Class 105 Solid State Relay. So, a relay is a device which controls high current from a low current. Means it will control a circuit of high current and high power by a circuit of low current or low power. An SCR also can be used in a similar way. The anode circuit is like high power circuit. Control circuit is like low power circuit. So we can have two types, DC solid state relay and AC solid state relay. The isolation is given by, for the firing circuit, the isolation is given by optocouplers or pulse transformers. So let us take a DC SSR using optocoupler. You can see here, this is the load which is controlled by the phototransistor, photo MOSFET, and photo MOSFET gets the control signal from an LED. When input is given to the LED, the forward biased MOSFET will conduct and load will be energized. These are the freewheeling diodes. In case of inductive load, when MOSFET is switched off, high LDI by dt will come. For that purpose we have that, and this diode is kept so that to protect the MOSFET from wrong polarity. This diode protects MOSFET from appearing negative voltage, reverse voltage across it. If voltage is reversed, diode will get forward biased and it will conduct through the load. So negative voltage will not appear across the MOSFET. Some MOSFETs should be protected from negative voltage appearing across its ends. Now this is AC SSR. We have two SCRs in anti-parallel. If you have triac, only one triac is enough. Here an opto triac is there which conducts when input signal is given to the LED. So when it conducts, the respective SCRs will get gate signals in the respective half cycles. T1 will get in the positive half cycle and T2 will get in the negative half cycle. See, when light falls, when input is given, LED will emit. Light will fall on the opto triac or photo triac. This will conduct. During positive half cycle, gate current to T1 will come like this. See, like this, through the load, like this, like this, like this. During negative half cycle, the gate current will be like this. During negative half cycle, this will be positive. So gate current will flow like this through RG2. For T2, gate current will flow through RG2. For T1 it is RG1. See, for T2 gate current will be like this. So this is an AC SSR which drives an AC load and has isolation through an optocoupler of LED phototriac combination.